Hello everybody, good afternoon, it's Michelle from Little Learners, Derbyshire North East. I hope you're all well. I've just popped on really just to show you a really simple activity that I've been doing with my 3-year-old this morning. It's a really simple one to do, just whatever your age really, because it's a lot of splodging and just a bit of painting. But actually what's really good for the older ones is we've been learning a bit about symmetry, so things that are the same on each side, and it's really good for that as well. So it's a really simple way to make a butterfly. All you need is a butterfly that you've cut out. So all I've done with that is just an A4 sheet of paper and then just cut it out like that. So I've made it symmetrical basically. I've made it so that when we squidge it down it all matches up, and you can obviously do it in any colour. So we've made some this morning. I'll show you what we've been doing. We've been making ones that look like this and like this, and really you can just keep going for as long as they'll keep doing it really. You know, let their imagination go wild and use as many colours as you can. So all you actually need to do it is your cutout of your butterfly and then just some paints and a paintbrush. And that's all you need. So what you want to try if they'll do, obviously if they're really young they'll probably just paint it all over the place, and that's absolutely fine. If they're a little bit older and they can understand what you're asking them, just get them to splodge or swirl or however they want to do it, just do it on one side. So what we do is just go la la, just putting a few different colours on and just splodging it all over, just making it nice and splodgy. I'll show you in a second. So obviously you can just let them create whatever they want. So that's how mine's looking. I'm just doing it on one side like that. And then I asked Josh, who's just 3 and a couple of months, I asked him what he thought would happen if we folded it over. So he just thought if we folded it over that this would just be the same. When we opened it up it would just be exactly the same. So obviously then we fold it over, squidge it down, get them to squidge it, and you can see what happens and let them do the reveal. Harder than it looks. And you've got your beautiful butterfly. So it's really simple. You can do it with other things as well. Butterflies are obviously the easiest because they're lovely, colourful, and obviously children, like we read The Hungry Caterpillar, you know, a lot of children know what butterflies are, but it introduces them to the idea of symmetry in a really simple way. And like I say, we've made more than these actually. These are just the ones that have dried this morning. We just kept going for quite a while and it kept him occupied. So have a go. If you've got a few paints and just a bit of paper or a card, you can make your own lovely butterflies. Just thought I'd show you that because it's really quick and simple, and it's just a good one to do at home. So I hope you're all keeping well, and if you do decide to do that, and just let me know. I'd love to see your photos. But yeah, I will see you all soon. Have a good rest of the day.